Why you should own at least 20 Arweave. The average price has been in a strong bullish momentum recently as the demand for the coin has risen. The AR price has risen to $61.26 today, September 1st, 2021, about 350% above the lowest level in August this year. It has risen by almost 600% from its lowest level in July, making it one of the hottest cryptocurrencies in the world. This growth has pushed its total market volume to more than $2 billion. In addition, a quick look shows the number of search queries has been on a bullish trend. Similarly, the number of social media mentions about AR has been rising. In today's video, I will show you everything you need to know about Arweave and why you should own at least 20 Arweave. Investing begins with education, not buying. Invest your time in understanding a project before you invest your money. What is Arweave? Arweave is a reliable unknown blockchain project that is in a file storage industry. The protocol allows users to store files and documents permanently in the cloud for a single upfront payment. In addition, the coin connects people with the available disk space with organizations that want to store it. The Arweave protocol has a permaweb of pages and applications designed to live forever. Other key parts of Arweave's ecosystem are gateways, GraphQLs, and Smartweave. Gateways are similar to content delivery systems, with GraphQL is a querying system exposed to gateways. Smartweave, on the other hand, is a smart contract platform that allows developers to build programmable money. In summary, Arweave seeks to make information permanent, cost-effective, and scalable with its decentralized architecture. The protocol provides the basis of the permaweb, a new version of the web in which websites and applications are stored forever, and the provenance of information can be traced. The project's unique blockweave architecture, miner content moderation policies, and competition-based approach differentiate Arweave from the wealth of decentralized storage network options currently available. This elevates Arweave to more than a data storage protocol. It's an entire and permanent layer of the internet. Arweave's AR token economics. 55 million AR tokens were created when Arweave's Genius block was mined, and an additional 11 million tokens were set to be introduced into circulation as mining rewards. To store data in a blockweave, you must pay fees in AR tokens. Arweave miners receive these tokens in exchange for mining new blocks, which obligates them to store data. However, transaction fees do not get entirely to miners. Instead, most of the transaction fee is allocated to a storage endowment, distributed to miners over time. Thus, effectively, the user pays an upfront fee on which interest occurs, which is later distributed to miners. The incentivized cliff serves to limit the amount of volatility of the AR token while ensuring the long-term viability of its mining-based consensus mechanism. Use case for Arweave permaweb. Through the permaweb is visually similar to the traditional web and can be accessed through traditional browsers. It is different from the conventional web in key ways. Importantly, because the permaweb is built on Arweave, users can expect reliability and immutable access to its content. Once published, permaweb applications and websites will be displayed as long as the Arweave protocol operates. Additionally, because a wallet signs information stored in a blockweave, data uploaded to the permaweb is associated with an identity. Though it may be a pseudonym, this means that the provenance of information can be traced through the network, making it easy to identify the origin of misinformation. While there are decentralized storage platforms, Arweave is offering something completely unique: permanent storage. The protocol does this by using a novel consensus mechanism called proof of access, where miners compete to provide as many replications of the data held in the system as they can. Current and future use cases for permanent storage include Internet Archive. Arweave is currently teaming up with Internet Archive, a nonprofit digital content library, to make access to the archive data decentralized and permanently fault-tolerant. You can read more about this project at the block. Blockchain storing old data. Solana, a public blockchain protocol known for its proof-of-history consensus mechanism, uses Arweave for its total data storage needs and bridges to Arweave, the Solar Bridge. Once a transaction is validated, it's stored on Arweave permanently and doesn't need to be verified again. However, it costs approximately $20.2 million to write 1 gigabyte of data to a smart contract on Ethereum. So there's a clear need for a cheaper, decentralized data storage solution. Storing NFTs. Sales of NFT-based art have taken off, reaching an all-time high in December, and NFT artists are increasingly showing their work in online showrooms. But NFTs need performance to hold reliable value. As Arweave founder Sam Williams tweeted, After the NFT artist sells their creations, they don't necessarily have a strong incentive to perform upkeeping on their storage. This frequently leads to works being lost after the sale. Individuals. Some individuals want to pay for permanent storage of their photo docs, but aren't interested in platforms that are controlled by a company of inevitable software inflation of SaaS. Who are the founders of Arweave? When you invest in a young project, there's usually no working product or service. This means you're betting on the team behind the product. If the team is strong, you have a higher chance of success, even if the idea isn't groundbreaking, than an inexperienced team with a stronger idea. Before making an investment, we always recommend assessing the team behind the blockchain project. Arweave has found by Sam Williams and William Jones, two PhD candidates at the University of Kent. Williams came to the project with experience in decentralized and distributed systems, has developed an operating system called Hydro OS as part of his studies. At the same time, Jones focuses on the graph theory and neural networking. While Williams dropped out of graduate school to focus on the company, Jones left the project early in mid-2018 and completed his PhD. According to Williams, he came up with the idea while walking up a mountain in Scotland, later bringing the concept to Jones, with whom he developed the technical details. After launching Arweave, Williams later named to an advisor to MindSpider, a company providing blockchain-based supply chain tracking to the raw materials industry. He has served as a mentor to the Techstar Accelerator program. Although Arweave was founded with centralized leadership, it launched a decentralized autonomous organization in January 2020, composed of core community members to further the development and expansion of networks and its ecosystem. How can Arweave go? In the last 4 months, Arweave has shown a growing trend. Thus, we think the similar parts of the market were quite popular at that period. Moreover, according to the latest data collected, the trading volume of Arweave is increased from 4 months. Therefore, the trading volume constitutes a vital role in its price. According to our deep technical analysis on past price data of AR, the average price of Arweave AR might go to $179.75 by the end of this year. In 5 years, Arweave has an outstanding potential to reach new heights. It is forecasted that AR will increase in value. According to specific experts and business analysts, Arweave can hit the highest price of $2,268.50 by 2025. To own 20 Arweave today, you will need to invest $20 times by $61.26, $1,225.20. So if you invest in this token now and these prices are correct, you will receive massive returns on your investment within these set periods. For instance, before the end of the year, your $1,255.2 investment on 20 Arweave could be worth 179.75 times by 20, equaling 3,595. And if you could hold for 5 years, your 1,225.2 investment could be worth 2,268.5 times by 20, equaling 45,370. Our final verdict on Arweave. Since last month, the AR was in a good upward trend and increasing over 300%. Arweave has shown very strong potential lately, and this could be a good opportunity to dig right in and invest. Arweave's value is expected to continue to expand as shorter trends to encourage price rise. However, please note, there is some risk to any investment. Just invest in what you can afford to lose and conduct the maximum research possible. That's it on today's video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.